Hey guys, I'm Sony and this is my first Q&A video since you guys had a lot of questions to ask me. And if you're new, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. We'll start with some basic questions first and then move on to the interesting ones later. So the first and most asked question, what's my height? I have mentioned it before in a lot of comments, but here we go again. I am 5'8" and I don't think that it's that big of a deal. Moving on to the next question, what's my age? So I am 26 years old. I swear I was 25 just a few months ago. Next question is, where are you from? So I'm staying in Jaipur for the past 7 years now, but I am born and brought up from Jharkhand. I love that place and that's my home. Moving on to the next question, are you an engineer? Which college branch? Okay, so yes, I'm an engineer. I did my modeling and engineering side by side because it was the time of the COVID and I was already doing my engineering, which was from IT branch. And yeah, I was a very studious girl and I couldn't leave my college. So when I was in my second year, I started modeling side by side, and it was the most hectic time of my life because I was doing both of them, assignments, examinations, and everything, but I still somehow managed to do both of them. And yes, I took a job, but I left it because I was doing so much better in shoots and I was really passionate about it. So that's where I continued this. Moving on to the next question. How's your modeling journey been? So I wouldn't do a very elaborate story about this, but I was doing my college, as I mentioned before, and it was the time of COVID when I first came across an advertisement for a beauty pageant here in Rajasthan, and I thought I'd do it, and I applied for it. I got selected, and since then, it was December 2020, and since 2021, I started doing it as a professional work. I have worked for a lot of brands, Amazon, Myntra, and also walked a lot of fashion shows, worked with really good designers. I also worked for Times. I also did another beauty pageant, which was a national beauty pageant, Glamour and Supermodel India, and it was hell of an experience for me. I started doing shoots, I started earning from modeling, and so I didn't continue my job and it became my full-time profession. And the journey has been great, it's still ongoing, and I am blessed that it happened to me. Moving on to the next question, have you ever played video games? So I might not look like it, but I am a huge gamer. I love playing games and I used to play a lot of games. When I was in school and college, I played IGI, Counter-Strike, GTA, and Clash of Clans, and I played Mini Militia and a little bit of PUBG, but I stopped playing because I was very serious about my career, and that was the time when I started taking it seriously about what I'll do in my life and what I have to do more. So I left playing games then, but I play sometimes even now and I really love doing it. The next question is how I started content creation. So it was just a year ago. I was already doing modeling and I should post it on my Instagram personal account a lot, and those videos had no meaning. I wasn't doing it very seriously, but when I came into this industry and I met new designers, I met stylists and a lot of people who really love doing this work, I started loving fashion too. I really wanted to try out new fashion, layering, styling and everything, and that's when I thought I should do it seriously. And 1 year ago exactly, I made my first Instagram creator account and I started posting consistently, regularly and dedicatedly. And within first week or a few days, I think I hit my first million there, and that's when I thought, yeah, maybe I'm built for it and I should do more styling videos. This is what I really want to do, and I started loving doing that, like seriously. And 2 months ago, I started YouTube, and it's all thanks to you guys. You have given me so much love on this platform as well, and this has been a great journey so far, and I feel it'll be great even more in the coming time. So I really appreciate you guys staying here with me. Let's move on to the next question. What are your other hobbies? So anything and everything that I see becomes a hobby of mine, whether it be painting, whether it be dancing. My friends are making a video of mine in the background. Oh god. So I really love painting, dancing. I recently did pottery and I really love doing that as well. I really love adventure. I did skydiving, I did scuba, and I really can't get enough of it. I want to do it even more now. I love go-karting. I love reading comics, streaming good shows on Netflix, and anything and everything. I think I am not built for one hobby. I love doing everything. Now let's move on to the next question. How do you get all these styling ideas for your videos? So I think I have gained a lot of experience by working in this modeling industry for the past 5 to 6 years now, and they have inspired me a lot. Plus, I don't know if you guys are gonna believe it or not, but right before I go to sleep, I style the videos in my mind. I layer it, I think this will go with that and everything, and next day in real life I try it really in front of the camera, not tried it before, and it works out every time. I really love doing that, and that's how it happens. Plus, I see a lot of content, and a lot of content creators have inspired me over these years. I take inspiration from a lot of content creators. They are creating such amazing content, and I sometimes try to put a twist of mine in that and I post it. So it's everything. I think those inspirations have come from my years of experience, from my thought process, from other influencers. It's everything. Next question. Do you shop all these outfits by yourself or is it sponsored from the brand? So I would say 50% of the outfits I bought and 50% the brands sent me for their videos, and it stays with me. So obviously it comes into my wardrobe. So I'd say around 50-50 or 60-40 maybe. So yeah, that's that. Plus, you also asked questions to put link for those dresses and the brand names. There was some issue, I don't know, but now I'll be adding the link to my attires, my outfits in the description itself. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it from there. Let's move on to the next question. I love your confidence. Were you always this confident or have you worked on yourself? So I'd say I was a very shy girl when I was in school, and a lot of things happened when I was in class 11th, and that has changed me a lot. I knew that I had to grow stronger if I want to survive in this world. I don't want to go really dark in this video. I wanted it to be very light and introductory, so I wouldn't go very deep down into it. But yeah, I survived that and I became stronger somehow. I became mature and I started paying attention to each and everything people did, and that has made me the way I am right now. And yes, I think confidence was somehow indulgent to me since I was child, I guess, but I have become more confident since I came into this line of modeling, because if you're not confident, how am I going to shoot in front of the camera? So I think that's a given. And yeah, I have worked on myself and it has grown in a good way over the time. So I would not say I was like this right from the start, maybe somewhat, but most of it I had to work on myself. Next question is, I don't know, funny. Are you real or AI? So you guys can see I am real, totally real, not AI. But if you think that my videos are AI, I mean that perfect, I'd take it as a compliment. Let me fix my hair. Moving on to the questions from the haters, I guess. What do your parents and relatives think about your character? These type of comments make me realize how I'm in India, because I don't think anywhere except this place person would feel entitled to associate someone's character with their clothes. And as per answering your question, my parents and relatives are literate enough and educated enough to not associate a girl's character with their attire. Attire is something that is worn, character is something that is inside. If you're good at heart, you have a good character, you behave nicely with people, that is what character is. And if you think something worn outside of the body is someone's definition of character, you need to get educated. These same people would be watching actors, actress wearing each and everything, foreign actresses, foreign models, and we appreciating them, but the same people will be judging women from their own country when they are doing the same thing. So you need to think about this. I'm amazed at how people are feeling so entitled to calling out other people's attire. I mean, is that really your place to call out someone else's attire? If you're seeing a content and you don't like it, skip it. Putting your hate, your frustration out in the public for everyone to see, I don't think that's really good. That says a lot about your character though. So it's your choice. You can choose to scroll. If you don't like the content, stay. If you like it, that's all. Now moving on to the last question, which I think is from a girl, and I totally understand why someone would ask something like this. Our society is too conservative, especially for girls. Don't wear this, don't go there, do this, that, etc. And lot of online hate. How you deal with all of that? So I don't know what to say about this, but you only have one life. You have only one life. You're gonna die in some years, and I don't know, after some years, nobody is gonna remember you. So the only thing you need to do in this life is satisfy your soul. I mean, if I'm gonna die, nobody's gonna remember. I should do something that I love, that satisfy my soul, and I should be happy with that. I'm not from a very rich family. I had to support my family as well. I had to go through a lot to come out of the orthodox society that I used to live in Jharkhand. Tell everyone how I want to do this. My father really supported me. My mother really supported me, because they also have only one motto, that they want to see their children happy. They saw my photos in magazine. They saw my posters on shops, on jewelry shops, and everywhere. So they know how hard I have worked for this, and they really appreciate it. So if they don't have a problem, I think I shouldn't care about what people online think about it. Like, it's just clothes for me. We models are like a mannequin. You in everyday life are a part of this industry. You go to shop, you see the website, you see the pictures of models before buying that attire. So if we're not doing our job of shooting those attire, then how are you shopping from it? So it's a part of everyday life, and it's a respectable profession. So you should respect this industry. As per hate, I literally give no fucks about it, because earlier I used to read each and every comment. I got insecure about a lot of things about me. I used to change the things so that in next video I wouldn't get the same kind of comments, but I realized you cannot make everybody happy. I just do not care about it anymore. I want to say to other girls too, if you're doing this, you should not care about what people think about you. The day you open your mind and not care about what other people think is the time that you're gonna get out of this loop that is created in a mind, and then you will do what makes you happy, and that's when you're gonna flourish. Because when you do something you love, you do it with your full heart, and the results are gonna come. And you only have one life to live, so do whatever satisfies your soul. I guess that's a lot that I have said in this video. I'll be doing more fun stuff, and if you guys have more questions to ask, do comment down below, and I'll be making another Q&A video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in next video.